Happy Friday! This is Happy Friday. Yes, Happy Friday because today is a Happy Friday. Why did I tell you 2 days ago that a crazy price increase was on the way, and today we logged almost 20% on the green, and it is not the end. This is just the beginning on something that is absolutely crazy about to come when it comes to the AMC share price totally exploding. All right, and I'm going to share with you details around that in this video. So first of all, today was really an interesting day because as I shared with you on Thursday, a price increase was expected when one of the major short seller sorry, it's Friday, all right? So bear with me. Anchorage short seller on AMC decided to, hey, we need the cash to return to our clients. So it was kind of expected to see this. So let's not get that much excited, all right? Because even after hours, AMC is already up 110%. It's precisely because today was not a regular day on the markets. First of all, we had quadruple witching day. That was happening today. Quadruple witching day is a day where we have a lot of volatility because options on Forex, index, stocks and bonds close today. All right, so it's usually a day where you have a lot of volume, and volatility doesn't always rhyme with the green. Sometimes, like today, it also rhymes with the red. But what is interesting is on a red day like this, AMC still managed to book a 20% upside. What was the last time we booked a 20% upside? It was back in January, April, January, along those lines. All right, so this shows a strong sign of bullishness because quadruple witching day, usually that day where, people rebalance because, option contracts are closing, so they need to make sure they get into new contracts. But in the meantime, it also coincides with the third Friday of the month where we have rebalancing on some of the top mutual funds and ETFs on the street. All right, that means not only they have to decide which stocks are we selling, which stocks are we buying, and they position themselves, but keep in mind that the next 2 Fridays and the next 2 weeks are kind of quiet weeks because next Friday is the 24th, so it's going to be a holiday, all right? And then the December 31st, I believe, is going to be just half a trading session. So people are already planning for what I'm going to start positioning myself for 2022 because on the next 2 weeks, I might be in and out. But that's why we're seeing red today. But again, with such a day that we are having a 20%, after hours is already up 160%, 1.6%. It shows you that, hey, this is just the beginning because now you have to take into consideration fear of missing out. Remember, when we hit 24 or 23, when we hit here, all right, I told people that, hey, please don't make this mistake of selling now because you may be anticipating or expecting to see the 90s or the 17s because AMC is like a ticking bomb. It can absolutely explode and go bananas literally any day. And literally 2 days after, boom, we saw it, going back to 25. A little bit of patience there as always because this is AMC. And then boom, finally today we are seeing that what we were expecting to see for a long time now. But hey, this is not it, all right? This is just the beginning of something that when it comes to fear of missing out, people are now, they're going to chase AMC because the time to have loaded under the 20s or around the 20s, it seems to be gone now, all right? So it might be too late. So they will push this. Only fear of missing out will continue to push this down. But there are also some other things when it comes to the quarter that AMC is having. This is one of the best seasons for AMC when it comes to the box office. People are, holiday season, etc., etc. But we also have Evergrande being finally, close to that final step of the default, which means people who are holding those bonds are kind of worthless now, and we know what this represents in terms of collateral to maintain, the short positions from the short sellers for companies like Citadel and the others. So that to say, This is just the beginning, and we should expect to see more coming in the next weeks. All right? Maybe we go back to 70s. I don't know, but we have to wait and see.